To my dear students of Standard 7, hope you are doing well. This is your Islam and Moral Religion class. Our today's lesson is from chapter 2, lesson 10, and the lesson name is Itikaf and Sadaqatul Fitr. First we know about Itikaf. What is Itikaf? It's an Arabic word and it means to stay or to confine oneself. In Islamic terms, it means to stay in a mosque in the worship of Allah, living away from family and all household chores. That means to gain the closeness of Allah. When any person starts to stay in mosque for some days, living away from family and household chores is called itikaf. It's sunnah-e muakkada. It is sunnah-e muakkada, and all people do not in a locality, all people do not need to do itikaf. But if no one do itikaf, then they may be sinner. So minimum one people is enough to do itikaf in a locality, and it will be granted to Allah. But if anybody doesn't, if nobody does it, then everybody will be responsible for this. And what is the importance of itikaf? Itikaf importance ta ki? The itikaf doers who perform itikaf himself from all the worldly activities and to draw closer to Allah. Who perform itikaf, he keep himself away from all the bad things of the world, and he able to gain the closeness of Allah. His spiritual relation with Allah becomes very stronger, and the luxury of the world cannot divert him from praying to Allah. Who perform itikaf, his spiritual relationship Allah is so becomes so stronger that no luxury of the world can divert his mind to do the prayer of Allah. He finds peace in prayer. And what is the time of itikaf? Especially in the month of Ramadan, the last 10 days is the best time for do itikaf. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform itikaf, and after his death, his wives also perform itikaf. And in the month of Ramadan, there is a very night full of benefits, and the night is Laylatul Qadr. And Laylatul Qadr is happened the odd number nights of the last 10 Ramadan, that is 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th and 29th of Ramadan. One might be fortunate to have gained the Laylatul Qadr if one sits in the itikaf during this time. যদি কেউ ইতিকাফে বসে এই লাইলাতুল কদরের রাতটি পেয়ে যায়, তাহলে সে গেইনার, she is the gainer. The rules of to do itikaf. How we do itikaf? ইতিকাফ করার নিয়মটা কি, আমরা কিভাবে করব ইতিকাফ? ইতিকাফ is sunnah, and its best time is the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan, and the minimum time of itikaf is at least 1 day and 1 night. Besides the Ramadan month, you can do itikaf in any time, but it's not sunnah then. And the women can also do itikaf inside the home. Now the topic is Sadaqatul Fitr. What is Sadaqatul Fitr? A certain amount of money or asset that we pay to the poor before we start for the Eid prayer on the Eid day is called Sadaqatul Fitr. It's Sadaqatul Fitr. বিশেষ করে ঈদুল ফিতরের নামাজের আগে আমরা যে ফিতরটা আদায় করি সেটাকেই বলা হয় সাদকাতুল ফিতর. We pay Sadaqatul Fitr in order to make up for our years of Saum during the month of Ramadan. We observe fasting during the month of Ramadan, and if we make any mistake in our fasting, it can make up by giving this Sadaqatul Fitr. This Sadaqatul Fitr is wajib for us, but it's not wajib for all. But কাদের জন্য এটা ওয়াজিব? তাদের জন্য the independent Muslim, not slave, the independent Muslim who possesses extra nisab amount of wealth beside his basic needs. That means an independent Muslim who have enough asset or enough money after to fulfill his basic needs. The basic needs, who have extra nisab amount, he must give the Sadaqatul Fitr. What is the nisab amount? এই নিসাব পরিমাণটা কি? If one has 7.5 bori gold, যদি কারো 7.5 bori gold or 52.5 bori silver or equivalent money, 52.5 তোলা রূপা অথবা ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট মানি, তার সমপরিমাণে কোনো অর্থ টাকা পয়সা থাকে অথবা তার থেকে বেশি, সেটাকেই বলা হচ্ছে নিসাব অ্যামাউন্ট. বাট ইউ আর নাও ইন ক্লাস 7. ডু ইউ আর এলিজিবল ফর সাদকাতুল ফিতর? তোমরা কি সাদকাতুল ফিতরের জন্য উপযোগী? ইয়েস, বাট your guardians will pay the Sadaqatul Fitrs on behalf of you. তোমার হয়ে তোমার বাবা মাকেই তোমার গার্ডিয়ানকেই এই সাদকাতুল ফিতরটা দিয়ে দিতে হবে. নাও হোয়াট আর দ্য সিগনিফিকেন্স অফ সাদকাতুল ফিতর? এই সাদকাতুল ফিতরের সিগনিফিকেন্সটা কি, ইম্পর্টেন্সটা কি? হযরত মুহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম ordered to pay Sadaqatul Fitr in the year when ফাস্টিং ইজ মেড ফার্জ. যে বছর থেকে ফাস্টিংটা ফরজ হলো ঠিক সেই বছর থেকেই হযরত মুহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি সাল্লাম এই সাদকাতুল ফিতর দেওয়ার অর্ডার দিলেন, নির্দেশ দিলেন. The Muslim observe first in the month of Ramadan and they devote themselves to their praying to Allah. But sometimes we might make some mistakes while doing this, and paying Sadaqatul Fitr has been made wajib because this Sadaqatul Fitr can make up our errors of observed fasting. Now the topic is how the poor people get benefited from this Sadaqatul Fitr. If the poor get the fitr, they can also take part in the joy of Eid. যখন poor যারা আছে, poor people, তারা এই সাদকাতুল ফিতরের অর্থটা, টাকা পয়সাটা পাবে, তখন তারাও তাদের ঈদটাকে অনেক ভালোভাবে এনজয় করতে পারবে. Thus the difference between the rich and poor become reduced, and love and sympathy is increased. In the hadith, it is said that all the errors of observing Saum are removed and the poor get meal. The rules to pay Sadaqatul Fitr. Sadaqatul Fitrটা আমরা কিভাবে পে করব, কিভাবে দিব? The owner of the nisab amount of wealth has to pay the sadaqatul fitr before the salat of Eid al-Fitr. এই সাদকাতুল ফিতরটা অফকোর্স পে করতে হবে বিফোর দ্য সালাত অফ ঈদ উল ফিতর. ইফ উই গিভ দ্য সাদকাতুল ফিতর after prayer, after Eid prayer, the sawab will be less. The sawab will be less. So we should give sadaqatul fitr in time, of course, before the before we eat prayer, so that the poor who are the owner of the sadaqatul fitr can enjoy their Eid very well. Okay, students, this class is over today, and next class we will do our lesson 11. Okay, Allah Hafiz.